Welcome back to Harbor Freight. We already know the weekend deal, 30% off all items, $10 and under for everybody. And then 30% off for all items, $20 and under for ITC members. And this is an underrated deal. There's definitely a lot of things you can stock up on. But what I wanted to say, there is some confusion about what the limit is. And I've seen kind of back and forth. I do recall in previous coupons similar to this, and it does depend on your store and how they're handling the limits. But clarification on my last video, this limit 5, at least from my understanding, tends to be limit 5 of any SKU. So technically, it is unlimited to any number of items that you want to get, but it is limited to a particular stock code or SKU. So just wanted to clarify that. Again, it is different potentially at your store because management can do as they wish. But that's one thing I did want to clarify. It's not necessarily a 5-unit limit on anything. It's a quantity 5 for a particular SKU. But that being said, when you go through and you get your items under $20, make sure they're scanning every item that you've gotten, because I have seen some examples of people who have gone to Harbor Freight and they've purchased, let's just say, 20 items. Only the first item that was scanned was discounted. So just be careful. It sounded like that had gotten fixed, but just always look at your receipt. Make sure your discount is actually applied to every item that you wanted. So that being said, what I also wanted to go over was one, yes, this is still going on this weekend, but wanted to show you the best way for you to go through and find what's $20 and under. Now, what I did was I searched the asterisk, and last time I did a guide like this, there was plenty of people who had better ways of doing it. So if there's a better way, let me know. But one, you pull up the list of every item that Harbor Freight has. You rate it either high to low, but I'm going high to low, which is always interesting to see what Harbor Freight has priced as their highest. And it's this one has been here for a bit, this Essential Machinery 8 horsepower towable backhoe. Anyways, $3,000. I think it was cheaper before, but that's not what we're looking at. Once everything is sorted from high to low, what I did is going up here into, well, you can't see it, but in your URL web search bar, whatever it is, come up here and it shows the current page is page 1. We're going to turn that to page 60. Now, if you don't want to do this, I'm going to go ahead and put this link in the description so you can already start here. But basically, page 60 is where we get to the $20 items. So we're going to go through a few. We're not going to go through everything because it's thousands of items that are $20 or less, but we'll go through a quick read of some of the ones that are $20 or less. So these are all 21 bucks. Don't qualify. And we are here. We start off with the swivel casters. Now you could do some more filtering by brand, which would probably be nice. We're just going to go through these first few, and then I'll let you guys do the rest of the research. But this will pull up every item that's $20 and under, and it just depends on your patience of how far you want to go through. So we have some swivel casters. Oh, and then reminder, everything that's 20 bucks, if you get 30% off of it, it's going to be $6 off. If it's 15 bucks, it's going to be about $4.50 off. $10, it's going to be $1.50 off. So you'll save $6 on most of these here that we're going to go through because they're all about 20 bucks. So we have some swivel casters, 6 and 8 inch, Central Pneumatics 1/4 inch compact air die grinder, Hercules 1/4 inch tuck point diamond blade, Pittsburgh's plier set with comfort grip, 5-piece, pretty cool. Bauer 1/8 inch to 3/4 inch stepped drill bit, Bauer's 5-inch hook and loop universal pattern sanding disc, 50-pack. Voyager's 19-inch tool tote with 14 pockets for 19 bucks. All these are $19.99. This one we did go over in the last video, the Centec, their new digital kitchen scale up to 22 pounds, which is pretty cool. 20 bucks. You'll save $6. The Icon Alert Professional Mini Soft Grip Pick and Hook Set, 4-piece. Pittsburgh's 24-inch bolt cutters. Merlin's 1/4 inch 25-foot coil hose, polyurethane. Hercules metal cutoff wheel, 10-pack. Some Luminar Outdoor 19-inch 8-lumen LED bronze finished glass pathway lights, 2-pack. Save $6. Pittsburgh's 3/8 inch drive socket set for 20 bucks. Again, save $6. Vulcan Defender professional MIG welding gloves. They're currently an ITC deal, but that's only 15%. So you can save 30% off those Vulcan Defenders. So be careful. Make sure you get the right discount. Central Machinery's 5-pound medium ceramic abrasive polishing tumbler media. Bauer swivel shears, replacement blades and bushings. Pittsburgh's Pistol Grip Grease Gun. It's fun to say. Allmasters 10-inch flat free tire for $20. Pittsburgh 60-inch aluminum F-style bar clamp. Hercules 7/8-inch carbide tipped hole cutter. Hercules 4-inch multi-material carbide hole saw. Hercules demo and thin curve reciprocating saw blade 12-piece. Pittsburgh's 3/8-inch drive indexable head ratchet. Always good Doyle tools. Doyle 16-inch high-performance V-jaw groove joint pliers. Merlin's 1/4-inch coated industrial coupler and plug set, 14-piece. The 10 by 12 foot heavy-duty extreme weather resistant tarp. Storehouse cable tie gun. Merlin's 3/8-inch by 25 foot PVC rubber hybrid air hose. Pittsburgh's 4-inch digital caliper. Pittsburgh's fully polished SAE metric combination wrench set, 22-piece. Badland winch fair lead mount. Warriors SDS plus type masonry flat chisel set, 3-piece. US General 3/8-inch drive SAE magnetic socket holder. More US General 1/4-inch, 3/8-inch, and 1/2-inch multiple rail socket tray metric. Icon Alert, the 7-inch diagonal cutters you can get for 30% off. Great deal. Hercules 6-inch impact rated magnetic SAE nut setters, 5-piece. Doyle's 9.5-inch high leverage linesman pliers with fish tape puller. Bremen's 36-inch high power trigger clamp spreader for $20. Franklin's 80-inch by 144-inch extra large double-sided moving blanket for $20. We already went over some US General magnetic socket holders, some more outdoor LED copper finish pathway lights. This is a 10-pack. Get 30% off. Bauer's titanium high-speed steel drill bit set for 21-piece. Doyle's 16-ounce steel nailing hammer. Bronze 400 lumen rechargeable waterproof LED spotlight. Bauer's saw blade. One Stop Gardens black finish gloss spotlight. And there is quite a few of items, obviously, I guess, that are $20 and under. Hallmaster 1/4-inch by 600-foot polypropylene rope. Voyager's 20-inch stainless steel toolbox. Hercules replacement filters. Icon's pistol grip needle nose pliers. Icon's adjustable joint channel pliers. US General's magnetic power and air tool holder. Greenwood's 50-foot by 5/8-inch garden hose. Warrior titanium drill bit set, 29-piece. Icon's 8-inch needle nose pliers. Bauer 4-inch coarse carbide grit carving disc. Parachute hammock with adjustable tree straps. Pittsburgh's 24-inch solid aluminum level. Pittsburgh Pro 3/8-inch drive 18-inch ratcheting breaker bar. Icon 16-inch soft face dead blow hammer. Pittsburgh Pro 3/8-inch drive 5 to 80 foot-pound click torque wrench. Warriors 12-volt 3/8 drill kit with battery and charger. Some binoculars, 10 by 58 wide angle, save 30%. Hallmaster tie down kit, 42-piece. Storehouse 30-bin wall mount parts rack. Merlin's 1/4-inch color coded automatic coupler. Plug set, 14-piece, 28% off. Pretty close to 30% off, but you might as well go for the 30% off. That's pretty close. McGraw's medium barrel air hammer. Doyle's 9.5-inch high level linesman pliers with crimping tool. Avanti's 20-inch tip extender. Pittsburgh Pro raised panel SAE and metric combination wrench set, 22-piece. Warriors 18-volt lithium battery with charger. Roadshock 3-inch LED floodlight. Doyle 16-inch high performance groove joint pliers, $20. Luminar's 72-foot warm white solar rope light. Predator 3-foot 20-amp adapter, $20. 10% off in ITC, but 30% off now if you need. Badland Apex 5,500-pound forged alloy steel winch hook. Bauer's 20-volt cordless full-size glue gun, tool gun. It's probably the most hefty, epic glue gun I've ever seen. Warrior drill bit driver bit set, 114 pieces, $19.99, 30% off. That does say when purchased online, so those are a little bit tricky. HFT 250-pound pull retrieving magnet, pretty cool. Storehouse, the 40-bin organizer with full-length drawer. More US Generals, multiple rail socket tray SAE, Chicago Electric 4x6 foot fiberglass welding blanket. We're only a few pages in. I won't do them all, but this is to give you an idea of what's $20 or less. Again, you can sort these by brand. I'll leave the link in the description. It'll already be filtered out to the $20 items or less. Pittsburgh 12-inch, 16-inch extendable adjustable wrench. Badland Apex 3/4 D-ring shackle. Central Machinery 4-inch drill press vise. Bunker Hill Security portable lock box. This one we did go over. Daytona's extra long high leverage one-piece floor jack handle. Icon 8-inch 3-position slip joint pliers. Luminar outdoor solar LED and ground disc lights 4-pack. Central Forge 15-pound rugged cast iron anvil. You can get an anvil for 30% off. Seems like a great deal. Chicago Electric 20-amp plasma electrodes 5-pack. Doyle's Electrician multi-purpose pliers. Look at these bad boys. That looks excellent for about $14. Pittsburgh's S-type SAE obstruction wrench set 5-piece. Warriors 1.1 amp corner detail sander. Warriors 3.2 amp 3/8-inch variable speed drill. Pittsburgh 1/4-inch 3/8-inch half-inch drive SAE metric socket set 51-piece. Centec 9 functional digital multimeter with audible continuity. Warrior 12-volt cordless oscillating multi-tool kit with battery and charger. Doyle's 6 1/4-inch 4-vial conduit level. Beautiful level. Doyle 8-inch fast adjuster water pump pliers. Chicago Electric power tools. Centex 12-volt deluxe battery maintainer and floater. Camouflage weather resistant tarp. Don't lose it. Indoor wireless remote system 3-piece. Pittsburgh 17.5-inch hand riveter with collection bottle. First alert carbon monoxide alarm. The U.S. General large ultra grip flexible parts tray. Some more organization from Storehouse. 200 gallons per hour submersible fountain pump with auto shut off. Icon's 12-inch S-jaw quick adjust pliers. Wrench. Bauer's 12-inch 60T general purpose circular saw blade. More of Icon's 10-inch long reach pistol grip pliers. Some Armstrong 6-foot braided charging cables, USB-C and micro USB. Pressure washer kit, quick connect nozzle kit, 5-piece, $20, 30% off. I feel like I've seen these on Amazon for a lot cheaper, but maybe they're a little bit different. You get an American flag, Betsy's flags made in the USA, 3x5 foot embroidered American flag for 30% off of $20. Another tarp, Western Safety rolling knee pads, Hallmaster 4-inch drop, rise and hitch mount, and the list goes on. So I'm going to leave it at that. There is so many. This 8-inch self-adjusting wire stripper, parrot pliers, vices, ratchets, buffers, ratcheting crimpers from Doyle. Icon wire stripper and cutter. I don't think these ever go on sale. Do these go on sale? Yeah, they go on sale under hand tools only. But you can get the Icon 7-inch inline wire stripper. That wasn't on sale recently. Hercules 20-volt cordless 280 lumen stick light tool only. If you have some Hercules batteries already. Anyways, can't go wrong. Mini toolbox, $18.99. We'll leave it at that. These are just a few ideas of what's available, $20 and under. Link will be in the description if you wanted to just go through them all yourself and filter them out some more. What have you gotten or what are you getting? Happy Harbor freighting. I hope you find this useful. Please consider liking and subscribing, and as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.